In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Discord to Whop. This is really useful if you've bought access to a community, course, or tool on Whop, and you need your Discord account linked so you can automatically get the right roles and channels. I'll walk you through each click slowly and clearly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to your Whop home dashboard. Make sure you're logged into the correct Whop account, the same one that has the memberships or products you want to use with Discord. If you're not on the home dashboard yet, just log in and you should land there automatically. Once you're on the dashboard, look toward the corner of the page for a small gear icon. This gear icon is where your settings live. Go ahead and click on that. It might be near your profile picture or username, depending on the layout, but it will clearly look like a settings cog. After you click the gear, you'll be taken into your account settings area. Here, look for a section labeled Connected Accounts. This is where Whop lets you link other platforms, like Discord. Click on Connected Accounts to open that page. On this Connected Accounts page, you'll see a list of services that can be linked to Whop. Find Discord in that list. Once you've located Discord, click on the button that says Add. This tells Whop that you want to start the process of connecting your Discord account. You'll now be redirected to Discord's login or authorization page. If you're already logged into Discord in your browser, you might just see an authorization screen. If not, you'll see the login form. Click into the field for your email or phone number and carefully type in the login information you normally use for your Discord account. Take your time and double check for any typos. Next, click into the password field and enter your Discord password. Again, make sure everything is correct because a single wrong character will prevent you from logging in. If you use a password manager, this is a good moment to let it autofill for you. When both fields are filled in, click on the login button. After logging in, just follow any on-screen prompts from Discord to authorize the connection. Once that's done, your Discord account will be successfully connected to Whop, and your memberships will be able to sync with the